you need to know this wonderful trick. It could save your life or the life of someone you love. Just as you heard, you need to know this trick immediately. Many people don't know, can't imagine what this strange and unusual trick is for. As soon as you find out, you'll be running to tell your family. To begin with, in a container like this, we'll add 5 tablespoons of whole oregano. If you don't have whole oregano, you can use ground. Then pour it into a saucepan and add 1 liter of water. Then put it on the stove and let it boil for 3 minutes. Once you know all the benefits of this homemade trick, you'll be rushing to do it. It's very good, and the results will surprise you, friends, as it boils here. I want to leave you with a very important message. Our videos are only being received by people who interact with our page, and interacting means liking, commenting, and sharing. So take a moment and tell us which country or city you're watching from, so we can send you a very special greeting for the next recipe. The greeting for this recipe goes to Dona Maria Santos from São Paulo capital and Nicolas Ferreira from Brasilia. Thank you very much for watching and sharing our videos. After a while, we turn off the heat and let it cool down a bit. When it's cool, transfer it to another container using a sieve. Strain to separate the oregano leaves. Now we'll add a cup of white vinegar and stir very well. Friends, this trick is very easy to do and very effective, so I recommend you do it at home. Now, in a container, add 5 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking soda is excellent for treating nail, foot, and hand fungus. Now, in a larger container like the one I have here, place the feet and add the oregano liquid we set aside at the beginning. And now, we'll also add the baking soda to the feet or nail area afterwards. Leave it on for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. After this time, leave your feet exposed to the air for 10 minutes. Repeat this process twice a week. With this advice, you'll have eliminated foot odor and fungus once and for all. Let me know if you like this advice and if you're going to do it. If you liked this advice, I'd like you to help me reach more people. I'd also appreciate it if you'd rate this advice from 0 to 10 to find out how much you liked the results. This is a super easy and very economical recipe to make. Let me know how it goes for you. That's all for today. I hope this advice is very useful to you. Thank you very much. To the people who watch and share our videos, we'll see you in the next one, and may God bless you greatly.